Okay, so what sound does a horse make?
Me!
What about a sheep? Good. What about a chicken? What about a cow? About a pig?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. What about a puppy dog?
Nope.
A dog?
Nope.
He doesn't have a sound?
Nope. Cows have sound.
Who does? A cow? I have to peel that for you, I think. What about a cat? Do cats make sounds?
No.
Not at all? I think you're tricking me. Does a cat go quack, 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 quack?
No.
What does it say?
Nope. He did say meow.
That's right. Okay, what about a dog? Does the dog say moo?
No.
What does dog say then?
Papa.
Okay. Can we think of any other animals? Oh, I know. What about a lion? What would a lion say?
Nope.
No sound? Oh, I think a lion roars.
No.
Oh.
Says wow.
Whoa. Scary. Do fish make sounds?
No.
Do birds make sounds?
No. Fishes make sounds.
Uh-uh.
Fishes make sounds. Swim, swim.
Swim, swim? Sure. Well, what about a bird, though? What sound does it make?
Teet, teet.
Yeah.
Teet.
Here. Okay, good.
Does that go now? Does that go now?
Throw the banana peel to the squirrels? Sure. You can help me in a little bit finish banana. That was very nice hearing all those sounds.